We're back with Konosuba, episode 12, which I think this might be the season finale based off my booty math skills. But yeah, last episode was pretty funny. That one goblin that Megumi's little sister became friends with is also looking to recruit Chomusuke as its leader, actively looking to find Chomusuke, Lady Womback or whatever they say. So the whole village is on notice, saying like, "Yo, we gotta get this big ass goblin out here." Everyone gang up and look after and like fight it. And they realize how strong it is, and no plans are working. So they said that there's a arc priest that recently signed up as an adventurer, and she has long, luscious blue hair and is beautiful, this and that. And that means they're looking for Aqua. So the whole town is looking for Aqua, and they've had multiple incidents where they ran into Aqua too. But since she's so beat up and probably just like hung over most of the time, they don't think it's her. Like, who thinks one of the highest arc priests is living in the barn? You know what I'm saying? That's where we're at. So let's just get right into this, man. See how this happens, how this plans out. What now? Yeah, it's all done for. Nope. Exactly. Like, leave Shosuke alone, please. Quiz? What the hell is that word? What the hell is that word? Actually being stupid. Yeah, your explosion magic, man. Come on, I believe you, man. I believe in you. What's happening? Hey, yo. Oh, you're gonna bring her into it too? That's messed up, bro. And you're gonna use the friends card too? Oh, God. You just know how to fool her too easily, man. Look at Chomusuke just beautifully slumbering. Don't question her. He didn't. Oh, I forgot that demon pulled up, or like not that demon, but that church person pulled up and was just sniffing the hell out of Megumin's sheets, bro. Chomusuke, just stay there, bro. Stay put. Duple and a duple. Wait, what's happening? Oh, that makes sense. Yo, she's kind of smart. I believe it. I think it'll work. That demon's low-key stupid. Oh, yeah, I low-key want a cat now, bro. Something's not gonna work. Something's gonna happen, bro. Cause now she in the real world. Uh-oh, new feeling. And why isn't Chomusuke on that cat, bro? Oh, God. It's her again. It's that damn church girl. Oh, don't say you're gonna whack open. Oh, bro, I thought she was gonna beat the shit out of Union, dude. I would have laughed so hard for some reason. What's up with this corny shit, bro? Didn't you gotta do this, man? Oh, you might embarrass her so much. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you can't. You have to just let her do this, man, and live with the embarrassment. Factuals. Like, Megumin isn't porn, bro. Like, she's amazing, bro. Can't sleep in her, bro. I like how he's... Oh. God damn it, Megumin. Oh, good shit, Union. Good for you, bro. They formed a little alliance. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is she about to do? Oh, damn. She knew you were awake, low-key. No, what is she doing, bro? What is she doing? And she's just drooling crazy. Oh, God. What happened? Uh-oh. Heal them. Annoying tenant events. Fool around. Oh. It's getting freaky. I haven't heard that spell in a long time. Wow. Oh, she said it. Okay. Oh, they read right through the plan. What is going? God damn. They're tiring it out? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Then use Earthquake. That's a crazy spell. And these in crystals. Oh, they're using crazy power-ups. Oh god, that's crazy animation, bro. Oh. Alright, yo. They about to get bodied. Hold up. Oh, this motherfucker's in solar flare. Oh, yo, she's freaking out too. Well, that was Megumin's scream, bruh. Yo, she's struggling. Oh my god. Oh, damn. What is she using? A rage spell? Damn. Oh, you thought it wasn't. You thought it wasn't, but guess what? You thought it wasn't, but look at you now, man. Megumin, it's your time to shine, bro. Stop being flashed. Oh. He promises, so I guess demons keeps their promises, supposedly. Yep, I used to listen plenty of times. But for some reason, this sounds kind of eerie. Stop freaking out. Don't tell me what. Oh, she paralyzed herself too? Oh my god. Goofy spellcasting. I'm dead. Oh, affected area? Okay. I guess so. Oh, you guys scam, bro. Megumin, where are you at, bro? Thank you. Jesus, it was your time to... Oh, her OST. Her OST. In my absence. What a cocky way to say that, bro. Silent. Oh, she was awake? Yo, I thought she knew she was awake, so that's what she used the sleep thing. Oh, yeah, because she didn't her daily explosion. The eyes. The eyes. She heard everything, bro. Yo, stop. Yo. Oh, that's so funny. She literally wants to like end her life being so embarrassed. Stop impersonating her, dude. This is so, I can't laugh at that. Look at them those eyes. Am I suffering now? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Damn, are you staring? How are you staring death in the eyes, bro? Oh shit! Now that scene right there was sick. Say them foremost. This is not my daemon. Oh god. What weirdos? Deep in the shorts? I think that was Aqua. Oh shit. One life wasted? What the hell? God damn. I'm guessing Ri can reincarnate? Komiko? Is that her name? Crawfish. Oh, she sensed him. Getting blown to smithereens. Oh, she's going on a journey? She's going on a Pokemon journey. What? What? Oh, so that's what she better do. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I see her plan now. In other words, yes, she is. All right, you don't gotta. No, no, leave, bro, leave. Union's leaving too. What happened to the foremost? Oh, she's doing the thing. Oh, she's ruining your moment. This is making complete sense though. This is true. This is true. Oh, that's just such cap. You're gonna do tricks and schemes, man. Oh, I love this outro too. Chomosuke. Darkness. Whoa, whoa, that was her. That's the person Megan was looking for. Why she looks so like a rat? Why she looks like a crackhead, dude? What was that stare down? What? Are you dumb and stupid? Oh my! Like I accept that. It's nice confidence and stuff, but dude, not it. I think who put that there? Oh! Oh my god! This is when their fate crosses and they become the dynamic dumbasses of parties. It's crazy seeing it from a different point of view. It's actually low-key freaky. And I show their faces. Wow, I haven't seen them in a while. Their shining eyes. Deranged user explosion magic. That's facts. And the new season of Konosuba Sky announced for 2024. We live right now, boy. Wow, what a beautiful ending, man. It makes me so excited for the new season of Konosuba. It's gonna come out next year. I love it. I love it. Yeah, well, it was such a nice season. I love that they animated this spin-off. And honestly, Megumi is probably like one of my favorite characters too. Probably like she's probably my second favorite character, to be honest. So having a whole spin-off based off her and it getting animated, I loved every single second of it. Even though I see people on like internet saying like, "Oh, this season's ass, this and that," like I didn't like it, I didn't enjoy it. Like, dude, like I honestly thoroughly enjoyed it, and it was so fun and hilarious. So yeah, very excited for the next season. I loved how in the end they finally showed each other meeting up, because I was hoping for that. And if they didn't show it, dude, I low-key would have been perturbed. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this season of Konosuba as much as I did. I feel like I got nothing to say, bro. It's just classic Konosuba, you know? Everything turned out good, man. Shomosuke is still there. They ain't get ravaged by that demon. Union ran into the girl that Megumin has literally going on a journey looking for. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next video or whatever.